High in the mountains lies one of the Earth's most important treasures, glaciers. They may seem distant, but their meltwater feeds rivers, grows crops, and supports life for more than 2 billion people. Today, these glaciers are melting faster than ever before, and as they shrink, water becomes uncertain, food becomes fragile, and livelihoods are put at risk. When glaciers fade, we don't just lose ice, we lose ecosystems, alpine lakes, wildlife habitats, and centuries of natural balance. Their loss echoes far beyond the mountains, impacting cities, communities, and future generations. This International Mountain Day, let's protect the ice that protects us. Because glaciers matter for water, for food, for livelihoods, and for life.